Hello kids, let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. This is triangle shape, triangle. This is pentagon shape, pentagon. This is square shape, square. This is heart shape, heart. This is circle shape, circle. This is right arrow shape, right arrow, triangle, pentagon, square, heart, circle, right arrow. Dear kids, these are our colors. These are our colors. This is green color, yellow color, light green color, brown color, red color, purple color, sky blue color, pink color, sea green color. Dear kids, let's draw 2D shape with these colors. This is pink color. This is pink color. I am drawing pink color in triangle shape. This is light green color. This is light green color. This is pentagon shape. Next one. This is sky blue color. This is sky blue color. This is square shape. This is sky blue color. This is square shape. This is red color. This is red color. This is heart shape. This is red color. This is red color. This is yellow color. This is yellow color. This is circle shape. Last one. This is red color. This is red color. This is at right arrow shape. Dear kids, let's rewind once again. This is triangle shape, pentagon shape, square shape, heart shape, circle shape, right arrow shape. Thank you kids for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.